It's 2019. Time to set new goals. And have you set your fitness goals for 2019? Health is wealth. Without your health, you have nothing else. And we're going to discuss different tiers that should be in your plan and your goals for fitness in 2019 in this video. What's good, YouTube? You're back in the building with the all-knowing, all-loving, all-feeling, all-seeing, all-powerful. Just damn all everything. The sexy as hell host of the Life Gains Fitness channel. Today we're talking about, have you set your fitness goals? Have you mapped a plan to get you to fitness goals in 2019? And if you enjoyed that type of content, subscribe to the Life Gains Fitness channel. If you haven't subscribed to my other two channels, they're all in the video description link. And if you need a coach or someone to help you get moving, I have a link down there for that as well to get your plan going. In order to do anything successful, you can't just go by the seat of your pants. You've got to make a plan. And in fitness, it's definitely no different. So we're talking about the different cornerstones of what you need to have set in a plan. So a lot of people get hung up on what diet should I use, when should I train, what time of the day should I train. I was like that when I first started getting in shape. I would hear that you shouldn't eat carbs before bed. I would hear that you need to get up and do cardio before you eat. And all that created analysis paralysis for me. Ladies and gentlemen, don't make this thing oversimplified. Simply think about getting a better diet. You know, no matter what it is, cut your carbs back, get the calories in a certain area. Make a plan to what gym you're going to go to. You know, gyms are expensive. So figure out what gyms in your area are the cheapest that fit your bill, and figure out when can you go work out within the schedule of your life. And start doing that. That's the very beginnings of your plan. If you're just getting off the couch, cutting back about 500 calories is going to do you wonders. If you're a little bit more advanced or intermediate, you might have to do a little more. But just getting off the couch and getting moving is going to give you great results within the first 2 weeks. Now, the caveat to that is, when you make this plan, you've got to stick to it. And I would even say, post the plan up, print it, and put it in places you know you're going to go. The bathroom and the refrigerator. You're going to be going to those pretty much every single day. So post your plan in there and stick to it. Also, what you need to have on your plan, that's very important, is a day of relaxation and rest where you're doing something that gratifies you other than food. For some of us, the food is an addiction, and when you introduce it back, you open up those flesh wounds and you dive right back into the behaviors that got you in trouble in the first place. Do something like go watch a movie. Play video games. If you like guns, go shoot guns at a safe range. You know, maybe go to a park. Find other ways to give yourself pleasure. And y'all filthy McNasties might have some other ways that help too, that I ain't gonna mention, that you can use, that don't involve food, that can allow you to stay on your goal. And on the very bottom line of what you write out as your plan, you need to put this in bold. Consistency. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to get lean and trim in a month, maybe not 2 months, maybe not 3 months. You probably didn't get overweight in that amount of time either. You got to think about that. You've got to dig your heels in and go for the long run to reach whatever goals you want to reach, which needs to be added to your plan. So let's just reiterate what needs to be on the plan. Barriers. What are the barriers that might keep you from getting to your goal that's based on your plan? Is it people in your life that might be tempting you with food? Is it your job? Is it stress? Whatever it is, it all needs to be on the plan. So barriers need to be on the plan. Where you're going to work out need to be on your plan. The meals and your macronutrients need to be on your plan. Your schedule for the gym needs to be on your plan. And on the very bottom, consistency needs to be on your plan, and you need to post this in places you're going to go to every day. We all are seeking for motivation and inspiration when we're feeling down, And there is no greater inspirer than looking in the mirror and seeing yourself next to the plan that's going to get you to the best self that you can be. And that's going to do it for this Plan 2019 Fitness video. Don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe. Go get yourself a life game. If you want a coach to help you out, you want some consulting for fitness, you want to train with me, go in the video description, check that link that says one-on-one consulting. If you need someone to help you build that plan based on your needs, I'm here to help you, baby. I've been there, I've done it, and I'm still doing it. And until the next Sex is Hell video, I'll see you.